Buddy Butt. I'm glad you're here. You're breadwinners. You're like, hey, Buddy Butt, Buddy Butt, booty kick. This is terrible. I think I'll take it down just in case. Oh, it must be breadwinners. They could do it all together. Let's go. I can do a buddy bud.
You know, Sway, maybe you should prove you're the bigger Bap and have a heart-to-heart with him.
Oh, I'll prove I'm the bigger Bap, all right. By kicking his tail at delivering bread!
Nothing a little southern elbow grease can't handle. Nice try, Shrimp. Howdy, Squidward. Hello, Plankton. You don't say. Well, there must be a way up there. All the way up there?
It's the alarm going beep, beep, beep. Time to wakey wake. Get on your feet.
Okay, I'm on my face.
What a great day to be a breadwinner, whether you're an expert or a beginner.
Sway, sway, a little help here.
Oh, don't worry, breadwinners. I hear you, my friend. We are still at the beginning, but this is a crew that makes it go on the pirate ship, or to sail the sea, or this is at the end.
Hey, Buddy Butt! Buddy Butt, come on!
Hey, Buddy Butt! You could search your leather from the north to the south.
But you would never find them in an amazing pound!
You could taste all the tasting from the east to the west.
Your time would be wasted, but Buddy's a bit.
Sweet or sour, bitter or hot.
Crispy or crunchy!
Oh, there's a mound!
Buddy is our greatest craze.
I do.
Have you ever tried my
Marmalade!
Hot or tangy or fierce!
If it's a taste, he'll
Know what it is!
We love Buddy is number one.
It's all on the
Tip of its tongue!
Buddy makes a bubble. Happy mood.
This is a good thing.
and lots of yummy food! You'll find you making my face!
Into the lunch, happy food!
Sweet or sour, bitter or hot.
Crispy or crunchy!
You'll never found!
Buddy is our greatest craze. Have you ever tried my
Marmalade!
Hot or tangy or fierce!
If it's a
Taste, yeah, know what it is!